Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy TuPhones for Free back again with another informative video. This video is, of course, about the biggest summer deal that you can get right now. As of tomorrow is the deadline to sign up to Hulu for $1 for the next 3 months. So $1 a month for Hulu. Uh, I talked about this on my live stream, and some people don't like how I do my live streams, but I'm the truth, okay? I'm the truth, hands down, man down. There goes that man. TuPhones for Free, gonna give you the real deal. Go ahead and look in your emails right now. I got the alert on all my emails right now. You get 3 months of Hulu for $1 a month. $3. That is it for Hulu. $3. You don't even have to get on somebody else's account. Get your own account. Look through your emails right now. Sign up to Hulu this week. Actually, tonight or tomorrow. Tomorrow is the deadline. So if you guys miss out on this deal for the summer, that's on you. But I put it on my YouTube channel. I talked about it on my live stream. I talked about it in almost every chat group I'm in. It is what it is. You don't like it, you don't like it. But I also got videos how I break down how to use Hulu and to get the better advantage of using Hulu streaming service. So just follow my YouTube channel, follow my blog sites. I got all the information in the links in the description box. Everybody have a good weekend. Enjoy yourselves and stay blessed. I'm out.